Off the coast of the Philippines, a diver floats motionless in open water, dwarfed by something the size of a school bus gliding silently beneath her. Its mouth alone could fit an adult human standing upright. And yet, she isn't in danger. This creature has already decided she isn't worth noticing. This is the whale shark, the largest fish in the ocean, and one of the most misunderstood giants on the planet. Most people picture the biggest shark alive as something aggressive. The whale shark breaks that image entirely. It can grow over 40 feet long, with some individuals reported even larger, and weigh more than 20 tons, roughly the weight of 3 full-grown African elephants. There are no confirmed records of a whale shark intentionally attacking a human. Today, we're uncovering how the largest fish on Earth became a giant by feeding on some of the smallest life in the ocean, and why this gentle giant matters more than ever as its population quietly slips toward extinction. Let's start with the mouth. A whale shark's mouth can stretch up to 5 feet wide, lined with teeth so small they're barely functional, some only a few millimeters long. Unlike great whites or tiger sharks, whale sharks are filter feeders, drawing enormous volumes of water through their mouths and straining out plankton, small fish, and fish eggs using specialized filter pads inside their gills. Researchers estimate a single whale shark filters enormous volumes of water every hour, capturing tiny plankton, fish eggs, and other microscopic prey as it feeds. The largest fish in the ocean survives almost entirely on some of the smallest life forms in the sea. Despite their size, whale sharks are remarkably gentle, typically cruising at just 3 miles per hour. This calm behavior has made them one of the most sought-after marine encounters in ecotourism, drawing thousands of divers annually to places like Cebu in the Philippines and Ningaloo Reef in Australia. But here's where the science gets genuinely puzzling. Despite being one of the most recognizable fish species on Earth, scientists still don't know exactly where whale sharks give birth, or how many young they produce in the wild. Almost everything we know about their reproduction comes from a single pregnant female caught accidentally in Jeju, carrying around 300 embryos at various stages of development. Researchers have made progress elsewhere. Each whale shark's spot pattern is completely unique, like a fingerprint, allowing scientists to track individuals for years using photo databases contributed by divers worldwide. Satellite tracking has recorded single sharks migrating over 8,000 miles in one journey. Here's the twist. We associate the word shark with danger, a reputation built around apex predators like great whites. But the whale shark evolved in almost the opposite direction, toward gentleness and enormous scale, built specifically around eating things too small to fight back. In many ways, its biology mirrors the blue whales, another giant that grew massive by targeting the smallest possible prey. Two completely different lineages arriving at strikingly similar solutions. Despite their gentle nature, whale sharks face serious threats. The IUCN lists them as endangered. Slow reproduction, targeted fishing for fins and meet in parts of Asia, and frequent, often fatal collisions with cargo ships have placed real pressure on their survival. Satellite data has revealed whale sharks frequently surface directly along major international shipping lanes, putting one of the ocean's most vulnerable giants in the path of one of its most dangerous human-made obstacles. This is what makes the whale shark story different. It isn't a story about a fierce hunter facing extinction through competition. It's the story of a gentle filter feeder, one of the least aggressive large animals in the ocean, facing extinction, primarily because of how humans have built the modern world around it. We often imagine the ocean's largest creatures as its most dangerous. The whale shark quietly challenges that assumption every single day it swims past a diver without slightest interest in causing harm. Its size was never built for domination. It was built for patience, for filtering an ocean's worth of water in search of something small enough to matter. In a world that has become far more dangerous to it than it has ever been to us,